Why do some people just sound trustworthy before they even say anything? Your brain is wired to judge voices fast. Lower pitch, steady tone, and clear pronunciation signal confidence and safety, like a leader or parent figure. Across cultures, we evolve to trust voices that feel calm, deep, and stable because they helped us survive. High-pitched, shaky voices, more likely danger. Trust isn't just felt, it's heard. Follow Oddify Lab for more mind-blowing facts, and let us know in the comments what crazy topic you want us to explore next.